at this toy that we have. It is a very big. So if we put it here. Be like this. Stand up and then. Okay. Here you go. Okay. So we got this chest. This is a toy, so we can open this up. So you wonder where the key is. So the key is in this opener shark that is over here. Then open, and there's a thing that is a key to unlock it. So you just press it, and it will unlock, and you put the key upwards to open it. So it's good. Let's go. Let's wait for that one. Oh, there you go. Open this with the key. Okay. I almost got it. I got it. Open this. Can you lock it? Oh, I didn't lock it. Is it broken? Did it broke? It got stuck. How does it open? Oh, there we go. Put it upwards and then there we go. This is open. So we'll move the little camera closer. So if you go to watch it here, so I took off this sheet. Okay, it comes with this thing. So then we're gonna put this. It's hot sand, so we have to dig. So we have an octopus. So here we go. Okay. Got this. This. Then where we got? Okay, we got a sword. Okay, what next? Let's see. I can't touch this. Oh my God, it's a tube. Oh, it has sand. Oh, look at this. Okay, so put that back. Where it is. Then put this here. Press it down. Hit it. So to make the top fall. Okay, there you go. Press it. So then you hide this item here. Okay, then we put this here. There. There's not gonna be space for the octopus, so you have to put it behind it. So this thing that we locked is the octopus grabbing the key. Maybe stuck in it.
Mira que te tires ahí,
I'm gonna tira. So let's go in a little bit faster. I can't do it because you have to put beneath. Maybe I can. Okay. Okay, like it. Wait for a minute. You need to. Okay. There you go. That's how you play this thing. With this shovel, we fill it. So just use it when we have instead with this. Okay?
You got a lot of minutes with recording.
So I got this shovel. So I didn't need it because I only needed to dig with my hands. So only let's go a little back. Like this. So, not closing. Let's see if I can close it. Not closing because it has a thing here like this. Here we go. We put this thing back here. And then there we go. That's why you buy this toy in Amazon. So look at this. Okay. Okay, the recording is done. So whatever you think. So that's the recordings. That was it. Hopefully if you love this video, like and subscribe. So I'm gonna just post it into Okay, bye guys.